Hello and happy Easter, my friends. Welcome to the 455th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with all of you a mouth-watering carrot cake recipe. It's going to be full of carrot goodness, simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. And we're going to frost it with a pineapple cream cheese frosting. It's going to be a semi-homemade version. We're going to use a cake mix, but we're going to doctor it up and add some other ingredients that taste like you made it from scratch. And this will be perfect to serve for your Easter dinner or any time of the year. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other Easter recipes and my previous video, peanut butter and jelly pancakes. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your cake mix, your carrots, and your cake pan sugar, because we're about to bake some carrot cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 1 package of spiced cake mix. And we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And 1 package of instant vanilla pudding mix. Going to whisk these together until it's well incorporated. Love the smell of cinnamon. One of my favorite spices. So now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 4 jumbo eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a half a cup of canola oil. It's going to be super moist. And 2/3 of a cup of orange juice. Going to mix these on medium speed until they're well incorporated. Alright, my friends, now we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Alright, last of the dry mixture. And mix this in until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, this is what our batter look like. Luscious, smooth, and whipped. Alright. There's a few more ingredients we've got to add to the cake batter. A half a cup of finely diced pineapple chunks. And I drained the liquid. A half a cup of chopped walnuts, or you can use pecans. And last but not least, the star of the show, the carrots. We're going to add in 3 cups of carrots that are finely shredded. And fold these in. And if you want, you can add in some raisins, add in a half a cup. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish folding my batter, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up the cake batter. Now we're ready to pour it into our prepared pans. We're going to pour them into 2 9-inch round cake pans that are greased with baking spray. Alrighty, so now we're going to bang them. Get rid of some of the air bubbles. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 350-degree oven And we're going to let them bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. My friends, it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. I have taken my cakes out of the oven and I put them on my wire rack. So now we're going to let them cool completely. And while they're cooling, we can get started on a luscious pineapple cream cheese frosting. In my large bowl, I have 1 stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter, and 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, both at room temperature. And we're going to cream these together on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and mix this in until it's well incorporated. Now we're going to slowly add in 1 16-ounce box, which is 1 pound of powdered sugar that's sifted. And I turn my mixer down to low so that way I won't get powdered sugar all over the counter. Alright, last of the powdered sugar. Mix this in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what our cream cheese frosting look like. Nice and smooth. Perfect. There's one more ingredient we're going to add to it. The pineapple. I'm using 1 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple and I drained the juice. And fold it in. This looks so good. Alrighty my friends, our pineapple cream cheese frosting is complete. Now we're ready to ice our carrot cake. So I have 1 cake on my cake stand I lined with wax paper. So I'm going to take a dollop of our frosting, like so. And using my offset spatula, we're just going to spread it all over the cake. Alright, now we're going to take the other cake layer, put it right on top. I'm going to add some more icing. And I'm going to ice the top, like so. And then we're going to ice the sides. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish icing my cake and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through icing my cake and I removed the wax paper. Now it's time for the final touch. Over here on my plate I have some candy carrot peels. Just going to sprinkle right on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Semi-homemade carrot cake. Doesn't that look delicious? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. My friends, look at this beautiful piece of cake. You can see the pineapple, the walnuts. That looks so pretty. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. Look at that. It's very moist. I can taste the cinnamon and all the spices. And that pineapple cream cheese frosting is divine. This carrot cake is spot on delicious, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Carrot cake licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemade.delights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy Easter.